In this video, we're going to be doing a mid fade, and I'm also going to cut off his beard. And we're only going to do this fade with one guard. Let's get into the video. If you're new to this channel and want to learn how to cut new hairstyles, subscribe to the Barber Style Directory. Before we get into this video, I just want to say that this method, I found it to work better on coarse hair. So try this on coarse hair before you try it on straight hair or any other hair type. But right here, the lever is fully closed, and we're gonna start knocking out that bottom guideline. And then here we open the lever halfway and repeat. And then you see me open the lever one more time. So this method is gonna be really easy, guys, I promise. So here we take the 0 guard, and this is the only guard that we'll be using, and the lever is fully open. And we're gonna go up another inch. I didn't show it, but I cut the top down with a 1.5. So yes, this 0 will blend into a 1.5. I promise you. And then here we're just smoothing out. And you notice how I'm not digging into the skin. I'm just keeping the clipper flush, going with the shape of his head. I'm just knocking down that bulk. And then here the lever is fully closed. And you see me debulking even more. And as you can see, this is almost blending the hair right here. So really we're just setting a blank canvas. And here the 1 guard is still, the 0 guard is still fully closed. And as you can see, the fade is pretty much blending itself out. Notice how I'm stretching the skin. And then here I open the lever just a little bit and go in between that 1 open and that 1 closed. Notice how I keep pulling the skin, and notice how I'm using the corners of my blades. See guys, it's literally coming together right before our eyes. And notice how I'm not digging. You see how I'm holding it flush. And see me stretching the skin. The key to this fade, to getting this fade to work, is to stretch the skin and to use the corner of your blade. That's literally all you have to do. Holding it flush. And again, as you guys can see, like, it's literally faded with 1 guard. All I did was use the 1 guard. I opened it, knocked down the bulk, closed it, knocked down more bulk, and then just literally blending out that guideline. And you guys can watch right here, I'm gonna repeat the same steps in the back. So here the lever is fully open. Going up 1 inch with that guideline. Now you see the lever is fully closed. And you see how I use my thumb to stretch that skin. And then here you see me open the lever slightly and go in between that 0 guard open and the 0 closed. And it's all about using the corner of the blade and holding the clipper flush to the shape of the head. And now the lever is fully closed, and I'm just debulking. As you can see, it blends right into the fade. And I promise you guys, literally, the 0 guard is the only guard that I use to do this entire fade. All I did was go back and do some touch-up work here and there, but the 0 guard is the only guard. As you can see me now, I'm doing touch-up work. The 0 guard is the only guard that I use for this entire haircut, other than cutting the top down with the 1.5. And then here I'm just prepping the hair for the lineup. Now, one disclaimer that I will say about this fade method, I've only tried it with the double magnetic guards. I have not tried it with wall guards. So the method that I'm showing you today is, I've only done it with the Andis double magnetic guards. But here I'm just He wanted to try something different with his beard, and as you can see, his hair texture is very, very tight. The hair is really stiff, so you see me just working at it with the T-outliners. And he also has, his skin is very prone to ingrown hairs, so you have to be really gentle when you're shaving it, and make sure that you get a nice, clean, smooth shave. It's very important that your trimmers are not set too sharp. And here I'm just shaping up his goatee. Like I said, his hair is really thick. Literally in 2 days, he'll probably have a 5 o'clock shadow. As you can see, I'm literally balding his skin out with the shaver, and you can still see a ghost outline. But here we're just proceeding on with the lineup. Remember, we're going to keep everything natural, and we're going to comb everything to the front. So whenever he brushes his hair, there won't be any stray hairs falling over his hairline. We're going to repeat the same step on the other side. If you guys are going to try this fade method, comment below. Notice how I'm not really chasing the hairline. I'm just trying to take off as little hair as possible and get it as straight as possible. So you want to find that balance. And then here we're lining him up with the razor. I'm a big advocate for razor lines. It makes the haircut last a lot longer, in my opinion. And this is just another method that I do to make sure that I get all of the stray hairs from the hairline. See, that razor gets those really, really fine hairs that you can't get. And of course you have to spray some oil sheen. And guys, let me know how this haircut turned out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I can't wait for you guys to try it and give me feedback in the comments. If you found some help out of this video, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.